Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a very exciting recipe, something I have not done on this channel before, which is really shocking because I have made hundreds and hundreds. I think maybe 500-600 recipes over here and I've never made one of these. So I'm making a mushroom masala. It's going to be delicious and creamy and spicy and full of flavor. And the best thing is it is super simple to prepare, like all my recipes. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't already done so. And if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. Just need a few ingredients. I'm gonna get those together. I'm going to use red onions, but you can use white onions, pink onions, any onions you like or have at home. And I'm going to finely chop this up, just 2 of them. So just going to heat up this pan and going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm actually using peanut oil today for a change, but you can use sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, any oil of your choice. Just going to let it get it hot. So first thing, I'm going to add some whole spices. So I've got a little piece of cinnamon. I've got 8 to 10 cloves here. I've got 4 to 5 cardamom pods, and then I've got a bay leaf. Obviously if you don't have any of these, just skip it, but if you've got them, please use them. And then I've got a teaspoon of cumin seeds. So all of this will go in the oil. Let it sizzle so it releases the flavor, and then once it's been a few seconds, you add the chopped up onions. I'm going to cook this on medium heat for a good 8 to 10 minutes until they are really deep golden. In that time, I'm going to chop 4 to 5 garlic cloves and a good piece of ginger. Finely chop it or grate it. So the onions need a little bit of time and care, and as always I'm cooking for 4 people, and that's because we are 4 of us in the house. That's why I always cook for 4 people in case you're new to the channel. So this is a good time to utilize for prepping and chopping up. So I've chopped up the ginger and garlic. There it is. And then next, which is the main thing, are the mushrooms. So I'm going to get the mushrooms and the tomatoes prepped as well. So I need 2 lovely tomatoes for the recipe, and I'm just going to finely chop this too. You can see they are getting golden, but I want a little bit more color, so I'll give it another 2-3 minutes. Right, so that is looking gorgeous. I'm going to add the ginger and garlic. Give it a minute. Next we add in the tomatoes. Also 100 ml of boiling water. Now I'm going to cover and cook this for a good 15 minutes on medium to low heat. So for the mushrooms, I'm using chestnut mushrooms because I love the flavor of them. You can choose button mushrooms or any mushrooms you like, but this is my choice of mushroom. And I'm using 700 grams of mushrooms. I know it looks like so much, but that's going to really wilt down and it will be enough for 4 people. And all I'm going to do is thinly slice these. And that is all the mushroom chopped and ready. So it's been exactly 15 minutes. And the reason for adding that 100 ml water was so that this masala doesn't burn. And that's exactly what it's done. Stopped it from sticking to the bottom or burning it. Now I'm going to add the mushrooms. So I am going to reduce this heat to low and prepare a mixture to be added to this spice mix. For the spice blend, I have got here 200 grams of natural yogurt. In goes a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, teaspoon of garam masala, teaspoon of ground cumin, heaped tablespoon of fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. I like to crush them, and that is our spice mix. This is on really low heat. I'm going to add a lovely yogurt spice mix. Now our mushrooms are going to release moisture. This yogurt is going to release moisture. So I'm going to increase the heat to a bit high and give it a good mix. So I'm cooking for 5 minutes on high heat. You can see that the mushrooms are starting to wilt down. You can see there is moisture being released in the bottom of the pan from the mushrooms and the yogurt. So 5 minutes are done. I am going to cover and cook this for 15 minutes on low heat now. So it's been exactly 15 minutes according to my timer. Wow. Beautiful. Right, I'm gonna turn this off and get a nice bowl to plate it up. Just look at that. Smells and looks incredible. And then finish this with a couple of tablespoons of double cream. Ooh, that smells so good. Just look at that. Doesn't it look glorious? Right, so this creamy mushroom masala is ready. It smells so good. I would recommend you serve it with cumin rice or some chapatis or parathas or naan. This will go really well with some flatbreads. Obviously rice is good too, and I cannot wait to tuck in. I love mushroom. I love chestnut mushroom. I love other mushrooms too. Packs a punch. That is beautifully delicious. I really hope you'll enjoy this mushroom masala. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any recipes. And I'll see you back here very soon with another recipe. Bye for now. This is so good, guys. Absolutely incredible. Enjoy.